Hello and welcome to my Writing in the Wild Round 2. I focused on community communication, but unfortunately my links aren't working correctly on the site, so bear with me as I click through the contacts page and the about page. To begin, the contact page is my introduction. This is Writing in the Wild 2 for Dr. Stewart's class, The Evolution of Writing, by yours truly, Kate Costa. On the about page is basically our introduction to the presentation. Oop, and we're not clicking. There we go. It states that writing found in towns and cities have a multitude of purposes, some for keeping order, notifications, awareness, advertising, and the like. Each business has their own way of communicating with the public via the written word. Local government posts policies and laws so that community knows and understands expectations, as well as keep people safe. Face-to-face contact isn't always a viable option. Thus, community members depend on visual aids to alert them of what's going on around them. Some examples could be such as those as storefronts, bulletins, street signs, and what to kind of look for within those. So on our actual site, our Writing in the Wild, this presentation can be viewed from a gallery perspective, as shown, or from a slideshow, but for our purposes, we're going to do a slideshow. Open signs are a business to customer communication. It's meant to draw you in. Road signs, such as these, protect and dictate drivers' actions. Communication can be found on anything, even a trash can. Specialized parking spaces are identified based on the sign and symbol attached. Businesses use displays to catch the attention of potential patrons, providing just enough information to pique interests. Businesses looking for office space. Building owners will post vacancies for those looking for new real estate options. Flyers such as these found at Cardio for Days, one of our local boxing and sports conditioning centers, communicate times, places, local happenings, and the like. They even give you those motivational speeches for when you had a rough workout. Here we can see two different signs on this side and this side, one in English, one in Spanish. The bilingual flyers help to reach as many community members as possible. Williamsport enjoys posting the history of the town to educate them, their patrons and their community members, and it gives a nice little touch to the town, such as this one, the City of Williamsport Sports Walk. Help signs offer relief to those who may need it. Let's see. Instructions are another way that the city helps regulate desired behaviors. Again, we can see the history. A couple different signs from PennDOT. Flyers posted on business windows. Trying to get you in with that Vera Bradley sale at 50% off. Special signs. For rent signs. Just a welcome diversity sign. Everybody likes to look at a full menu when they walk past because then you know what you want to order before you go in. So it saves time and it gets your mouth watering. Last but not least, not last, I'm just kidding. Street signs offer direction and eliminate questions or quick changes by drivers thinking they might miss their exit. But now, last but not least, citizen-to-citizen communication occurs as well. Private property is protected by the no trespassing sign. All of these can be seen here at the website, which will be posted. Feel free to go through, have a look, and hopefully the links will work for you.